Hey there, adventure seekers! Welcome to Rishikesh, where the fun never stops and the thrills are endless. Today, we are diving into the top 10 paid adventure sports you can't miss out on in this amazing town. Get ready for excitement, laughter, and memories to last a lifetime. First up, let's talk about whitewater rafting. It's like riding a roller coaster, but on a river. You'll splash through waves and navigate rapids while surrounded by stunning scenery. Just grab your tickets from one of the rafting companies along the riverbank and get ready for an epic ride. Next on our list is bungee jumping. Ever wanted to feel like a superhero? Well, now's your chance. You'll jump off a platform and free fall towards the ground before bouncing back up. It's a real adrenaline rush, so make sure you book your jump in advance and get ready to scream. Now, let's zip over to flying fox. Imagine soaring through the sky like a bird, with the wind in your hair and the mountains beneath you. It's like flying, but without wings. Just head to the adventure park, strap in, and get ready for the ride of your life. If you're feeling brave, why not try cliff jumping? It's like diving into a giant pool, but way more exciting. You'll leap off a cliff and plunge into the crystal clear waters below. Just make sure you listen to your instructor and jump from the right spot. For those who love a challenge, there's rock climbing. It's like solving a giant puzzle, but with rocks. You'll use your strength and skill to climb up steep cliffs and conquer the mountains. Just remember to wear a helmet and harness, and you'll be scaling new heights in no time. Now, let's hit the trails with trekking. It's like going for a walk, but way more epic. You'll explore the breathtaking Himalayan landscape on foot, surrounded by nature's beauty. Just grab a map, pack some snacks, and get ready for an adventure you'll never forget. If you prefer water over land, why not try kayaking? It's like paddling through paradise, with the sun on your face and the water at your fingertips. Just rent a kayak from one of the shops along the riverbank and set sail for adventure. For those who love speed, there's mountain biking. It's like riding a bike, but on steroids. You'll zoom down rugged trails and twisty paths, with the wind in your hair and the mountains flying by. Just rent a bike, strap on your helmet, and get ready to pedal like crazy. If you're not afraid of heights, why not try parasailing? It's like flying a kite, but way cooler. You'll soar high above the Ganges River, with nothing but a parachute and a harness keeping you aloft. Just listen to your instructor and enjoy the view from above. And finally, why not spend a night under the stars with camping? It's like having a sleepover, but in the great outdoors. You'll roast marshmallows over a bonfire, tell ghost stories. So there you have it, folks. The top 10 paid adventure sports in Rishikesh, guaranteed to make your heart race and your spirits soar. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a nature lover, there's something for everyone in this amazing town. So pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime.